Boost productivity and reduce labor time with Firestone Jet Bond, a low volatile organic compound, LVOC spray adhesive that's faster and easier to install than traditional roll-on options. Designed to perform in Ultraply TPO, TPO-XR, flex-adhered and EPDM membranes, but is not to be used with full force or other self-adhesive offerings. Jet Bond has a warranty of up to 30 years and can be applied in temperatures as low as 25 degrees Fahrenheit with a quick cure time of approximately 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the weather. Consider this easy-to-use, quick two-sided spray application. Recommended for one person to spray the back of the membrane and one to spray the substrate at about the same time for similar flash-off times. It provides horizontal and vertical coverage, giving you 800 to 1,000 square feet per canister for smooth-backed membranes, meaning spraying for a standard 1,000 square feet, the product would be ready to lay in, and also offers a coverage of 650 to 750 square feet for TPO-XR fleece-back, giving you more installation options. Helpful do's and don'ts. Clean the surface and ensure there are no contaminants. Apply adhesive with an approximate 50% overlap. Before use, shake canister for 30 seconds and then periodically shake during application. It's not approved for use on asphalt surfaces, with PVC, or to be used as a primer. Do not apply in windy conditions exceeding 15 miles per hour, since this could risk overspray. We offer an LVOC canister flush. It's designed to clean and clear spray equipment, that is, hose, gun, and wand, as well as help clean up overspray. If necessary, small parts such as the nozzle, gun tip, and threads can be soaked in LVOC flush or wiped with a cloth that has been saturated with LVOC flush. Available accessories include 2 types of spray guns, one with and one without an extension wand, a pack of 5 spray tips, and 3 lengths of hoses, the 12-foot being the most popular. Carefully review TIS. For more information such as disposal, cleaning, and storage, go to www.firestonebpco.com, Technical Information Sheet 838, or reach out Technical Services at 1-800-428-4511.